Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Hump's World. And it is Hump Day and you should know what that means. Today we're going to review the watch face of the week, so get ready. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out for the watch face of the week. I'm telling you, this one is nice. Now you've seen some work from this developer before. He goes up under the initial of SSOM if you want to look up his work. Now the name of the watch face is called Mia in 2. Now I like the layout, I like the design of this watch face. This one could be worn whether it be casual and or dressy. Now in always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down. I kind of like it. It's an analog watch face, so the hands kind of stand out and then you get all the other info in the background. And when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, this design is really nice. Now I'm liking the info that is giving you up here about your months. You also get a digital time, so you get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. And right here, you're going to get info on your battery life. Again, I'm always on low sale, 26%. All your step info over there to the side. And you got shortcuts. So check out your shortcuts. You can just tap on it. You can go into settings, or whether it be your music, or you can go to the other side and go into your S voice and or your alarm. So I'm really liking the look of this. The second hand also looks pretty nice too in design. This is not a bad look. Now we're not done yet, right? So if you tap there, you can get your info for your your calendar. Tap here. Of course, you know I'm going to get battery info. Let's tap right here and you're going to get your calories burned, step info. But check this out. I thought this was pretty slick, kind of in a transformer type of sense. Check this out. Double tap. And you can transform it. I love this look. I love the opportunity to customize and just kind of change up the watch face a little bit. I thought the developer did an excellent job with this watch face, but you all are going to let me know, right? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts of the watch face of the week. The name of it again is called Mia in 2. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.